Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. Unbox tayo ng order ko sa Shopee again. Shopee, nabudol na naman tayo guys. Nabudol na naman tayo ng Shopee. Open natin, open. Nabudol na naman tayo. Order ko, bag again. Belt bag. Maganda to siya guys. Yan yung waterproof na belt bag. Makapal. At yung isa, yung sling bag, syempre, yung favorite na kulay natin. Diba? Ang ganda. Yan, galing. Nice. Yan, yun lang. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye all.